Hello everyone and welcome back to Destin Learning. In this video, we'll dive into the powerful OS module in Python, a tool that allows you to interact with your operating system effortlessly. You'll learn how to manage files, directories, and system operations directly from your Python scripts. Whether you're automating tasks or exploring system-level programming, this video is packed with practical examples to boost your Python skills. Let's explore the OS module together. The OS module in Python is crucial for OS-dependent tasks like file system operations, environment interaction, and process management. We'll explore its key features and applications with examples. The OS module in Python is crucial for operating system-dependent tasks such as file system navigation, environment interaction, and process management. We'll explore its key features with examples. The os.getCode function in Python is used to get the current working directory of the script. This slide explains how to use the os.chdr function to change the current working directory. Remember to replace /path/ to /directory with the actual path on your system. The os.listDr function is used to list all files and directories in a specified path. Here is a code example demonstrating its use. In Python, you can manage directories using os.mdir. To create a new directory, and os or mdi are to remove an empty directory. In Python, os.getenv is used to retrieve environment variables, while os.putenv is used to modify them. The os path module includes functions such as exists to verify the existence of files or directories. The os path join function helps in creating file paths that work across different operating systems. The os rename function renames files or directories, while os system executes shell commands. The os module in Python is essential for system-level tasks. It helps manage directories, files, and environment variables, making scripts more dynamic and adaptable. To wrap up, the OS module in Python is a versatile tool for handling files, directories, and system-level tasks with ease. By mastering its key functions, you can automate workflows and interact with your operating system seamlessly. Keep practicing, and you'll unlock the full potential of Python for system programming. If you like this video, please click the thumbs up button. If you'd like to see more videos like this, please consider subscribing to our channel. Thanks again, and I'll see you in another video soon. Bye-bye.